What's up, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Tentacle Fitness. I'm Tentacle Tech. If you've never been here before, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, all the YouTube things. Today we're going to be doing a full body yoga flow. We're actually going to go through the same sequence twice, I think. We're going to try this flow out, see how it works. So, let's get yoga music going. Hold on. And yoga music. Much better. Yoga music, yeah. Alright, and then we're going to start out, we're going to do each pose for 30 seconds, okay? And we're going to start out in plank. So come down into a plank position, which is just like the top of a push-up. Breathe deeply here. In through your nose and out through your mouth. Alright, now we're going to raise our right leg up for three-legged dog. Make sure that your ears come in between your arms and your, what is it called? Ankle? Heel. That's what I'm looking for. Your heel is reaching down toward the floor as your other leg ascends up toward the sky. Alright, then we're going to switch legs. Fill up your belly here. All right, and now we're going to come up into a lunge. Bring your hands together in front of you. Try to do the trouble I have with flows, like when I just see flows, when I don't actually have like someone guiding me through them, is I never know how to connect the different sides. Like I see the flow very easily, but in terms of like getting the different sides to flow, that part is challenging for me. All right, so now we're gonna switch sides. So come into a deep lunge on your left. Breathe deeply here. Alright, now bring that right heel down to the floor. It should naturally sort of pivot. You want your heels to be in a straight line here. And then you're going to bring your arms out to the side into Warrior One. Alright, now we're going to switch sides. Right foot comes forward, left foot comes back. Make sure that that heel is down, and it should make a relatively straight line with that other heel. Both arms out to the side, looking over your front hand. Alright, now bring your left hand back, touching your back leg, and bring your right hand up and over your head for Peaceful Warrior. Switch sides here. So now bring your left leg forward like you're going to go into Warrior 1 once again, but then bring your right hand back, bring your left hand up and over your head for Peaceful Warrior. Now our warrior is going to go on the offensive. So we are going to bring our back leg up. Slowly. Bring our back leg up and reach your arms out in front of you for Warrior 3. Finding your center here. Really help to focus on your drishti, that point right in front of you that you can focus on. Help to find your balance. Alright, we're going to switch legs. So your right leg comes down, left leg lifts up. It helps me to sort of like find my center on the floor and then lift up from there. Arms stretched out in front of you. Let that go. Now, we're going to bend our knees, feet together, bend your knees, and bring your arms up over your head. Make sure you're keeping your back straight. Almost like we're getting ready for a dive. Alright, straighten your knees, arms up, hinge forward, keeping your back straight. Bring your hands all the way down to your ankles if you can. Inhale, round your back. Exhale, straighten your back. And start to bring your forehead in between your legs. All right, let that go. Now, we're gonna come into, what is it called? It has a cool name. Something. Oh, Chaturanga, which is basically plank down to the floor, okay? So come into Chaturanga by coming into your plank position and then slowly lowering down. You can bring your knees down if it's too difficult to lower the whole way. Lower down, then point your back foot toes and make sure that your hands are next to your chest, and then slowly float your upper body as you inhale up away from the floor into Cobra. So your arms are straight, your back is arched. Your head is leaning back slightly. And by the way, if coming all the way up is a little bit too intense, that's totally okay. Any amount that you're able to come up off the floor, you're still going to get the same benefits from the stretch. All right, and then we're going to come up into downward facing dog. Make sure that you cannot see your heels. Your ears should be in line with your arms, in between your arms. And your heels should be reaching down toward the floor as your butt reaches up toward the ceiling. Really fill up your belly here. For the last and the most important pose, we're going to come down onto our backs. Let your feet fall open to the sides. Let your shoulders roll down. Big deep breaths as you just relax and allow all of the benefits of your practice from today to sink in. Just recently on my Instagram, I posted a progress pic of when I first started my YouTube channel versus now, what my body looks like. And even though I didn't realize it, the amount of progress that I've made is amazing. And that's really what fitness is all about. It's not a sprint, it's a marathon. And if you just build up that consistency, you'll see results. All right, and it looks like we don't need to do a second round through because it looks like that was actually right about the perfect amount of time. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like, comment, subscribe, all the YouTube-y things. Enjoy a glass of chalky milk. Everybody deserves a glass of chalky milk after a good workout. And we would not be able to do this without the help of our patrons. So a quick thank you starting at our Kraken tier to PW Self, Jimmy B1100, Deadman1362, and Kirby Ninja. At our Octo tier, thank you to Juggy, Spookers, and Supergirl Jess. At our Cuttlefish tier, thank you to Shiso Sandy, Chris Fortuna, Baby Blueser, Saber, Capum, Hot Cocoa Maker, Cuttlefish Mermaid, and Bear Hat. And finally, at our Tentacle tier, thank you to Charmander, Eyes of Ashes, and AMC. If you'd like to become a patron, you can do so for as little as $1 a month. I just, today actually, posted my second Sexy Mad Hatter cosplay, so you can check that out for just $1. Link is down in the description. And I hope y'all have a great day. Keep that consistency up. You're doing great. All right? Love you. Bye.